Okay, so hello, Donald. Thanks again for doing this. And
No problem.
yeah, I just wanted to we talked on the phone a little bit for a little bit. And I know that you had mentioned that you had a positive experience with Green Home Systems. So I just kind of wanted to hear just a little bit about your journey, maybe finding us, like how were you able to find us? And then first of all, what was your reason for wanting to go solar in general to begin with?
One of my best friends that I go to church with, he had them installed on his house, and I was actually looking at a company here in Arkansas, and he told me I should get in touch with y'all. So I talked to one of your reps, Ida, I think his name is, and he told me the benefits of y'all's company and the how well the LG panels are made. So I decided to go with y'all. I'm very happy with it.
That's great. That's great. And so then what was your reason for going solar just in general?
Well, I built my house 15 years ago, and basically it's all electric, and I went with all the energy efficient appliances and heating and air and all that kind of stuff. And trying to get all my bills down as low as I can. So the main reason I went solar is because I wanted to make my electricity and be locked in at a certain rate. That way I'm not paying when the cost of energy goes up in the next few years. It doesn't hurt to help the environment, I guess, but mine was more financial, locking everything in where I'm at now. So
yeah, that makes sense. I mean, it's like, you're hitting two birds with one stone. It's like it helps our energy, it helps our bills, it helps our finances, but it's also like helping, the world go solar, and it just benefits everyone. So it's just like, why not, huh?
Right.
I totally get that.
And it'll be paid for in 18 years. So
yeah,
I'm ahead.
yeah, exactly. And then just lastly, is there anything specific during the experience that you felt like was positive that you would like to share? There's no problem if there isn't, but just off the top of your head, if you know anything.
Well, the whole COVID thing has been kind of a pain, but I didn't have any problems with y'all. I mean, they got everything here when they said they were going to hear. The contractor was amazing. I really like him. He's called and checked on me several times to see how everything's running, and I can't say enough about him. He was awesome to deal with, but y'all been awesome the whole time. So
okay,
very happy.
That's awesome. Thank you so much again, like I said, for speaking with us and sharing your experience. It really just helps everyone, like we were talking about. And we'll reach out to you soon. And yeah, take care. That's about it.
Thanks very much.